Welcome back to Transcendental Experiences. If you have been following my story up to this point, you are aware that I enter a trance-like state during which the wisdom of the cosmos reveals information to me. For this reason, I wish to share this story in hope of freeing myself from any karmic responsibilities that may be spiritually given to me by cosmic forces. The next experience I will share happened about 20 years ago. Back then, I really wondered if the encounter with interdimensional beings was real. Since I have had many supernatural experiences over the last 2 decades, now I'm convinced that encounter really happened. This experience took place a few days following my previous encounter with the interdimensional beings. On this day, while entering in a trance-like state, I found myself in a room with enormous windows. As I moved close to them, images began to appear. I started to question my surroundings when I noticed shadows were moving towards me. As they approached, I realized these beings were not human. These beings were tall with slim bodies. They had elongated heads, oval-shaped eyes, and small lips. As I wondered about their identity, I was startled to hear one of them communicating with me telepathically. This being said, "We are from a place yet unknown to you. We travel through space and we see what is happening in your planet. As the screen shows scenes of destruction on our planet," he continued, "you are here because you have been able to cross the confines of the universe, and you have been chosen to see what could come in the future. For years, your people have misused Earth resources. You are destroying yourselves and your planet. If you continue with this destructive behavior, you will bring negative consequences in a brief period of time. Your destructive behavior will attract a powerful destructive force and will cause a negative impact in your planet. The world could be inhabitable if you do not change now. Your people can change the future. They can save the world. We are you. You are us in the future. Help us to change the future." Thanks for watching. See you in the next supernatural video.